Greetings from Mare Woods. Sometimes the simplest of toys are his favorites. He loves his ball he chases around, and the string hanging down from the lamp overhead, and it's over the back of the chair rail. Yep. There's a sock tied to the end of it that's full of catnip. Catnip grown in Peacham, Vermont. He's easily abused. The more he plays with that sock full of catnip, the better he sleeps. He likes to sleep right alongside of me, right where my hand lays, so I can pat him. He tries to keep me up all night by making me pat him all night. He's a good cat. He's not a kitten anymore. Comment below. God bless.